Well, good morning or good afternoon. Welcome back to Cooking Up the Harvest. I'm Kimberly Titlebaum from Recipes for Success in partnership with the beautiful High Point Library. And we're still into summer. And you know what? I love to cook, but generally sometimes it's just so hot and I just don't want to cook. And I certainly don't want to turn on the oven. So that's when I think of salads. But you're never going to find a salad that's more refreshing or more easy than this one. Today we're going to make a Mediterranean melon salad. And it's just got a few ingredients. We start off with a chopped up watermelon. Now you can use other melon, but honestly, the color of this melon makes me just thrill. And then you're going to chop up some basil. Now this is basil fresh from my garden. And you're just going to roughly chop it up. Just a couple of leaves, you don't need a lot. Just like so. Kind of scrape it together. Oh, this scent is marvelous. I wish you could smell this. You know, half the fun of eating is the smell, and the same thing goes true for cooking. So we'll put our watermelon and basil, cucumber. Now my cucumber plants are producing like crazy. I hope yours are too. But if they don't, this time of year, melons and cucumbers are so inexpensive. Pour that in. And the final thing we add, or almost the final thing, is a little bit of feta cheese. Now you can just put a little or a lot. And if you have lemon, a good squeeze of lemon is good. Now, I didn't pack my lemon today, but I happen to have all extra virgin olive oil with lemon flavor. So we're going to add this. Oh, wow. Look at these colors. This is a cool, and you don't need to salt it unless you just are a fiend for salt. Doesn't need pepper, doesn't need anything else. Now, the feta cheese already has some Mediterranean herbs in it. And what are Mediterranean herbs? Basil, oregano, just a kiss of thyme. So look at this beautiful festive. And this is a great salad. It's good for, you can eat it by yourself. It's fabulous. Grill some salmon or some shrimp and put that on top, or maybe some chicken. Oh, you just can't go wrong. But for a cool, refreshing lunch or dinner, this makes a great side dish, or it stands alone beautifully. So let's give it a taste. Cucumber, feta, watermelon, and basil. Doesn't get any easier than that. You gotta try this. It's absolutely wonderful. Try it yourself. Make it at home and let me know what you think. Just delightful. See you next time.